What up, everybody? My name is Danny. I'm one of the moderators here at Worldwide Glovers Discord chat. I also go by Danny Phantom or Danny Phantom Potato King. If you see me online or in a chat in Discord, feel free to message me. Today, I'm going to be going over what pit battles are. So, a few little key points I'm going to go over for you guys. What is a pit battle, right? What is the lists, and then how to call someone out. First off, we're going to start with what is a pit battle. Pit battles, they're located under the stadium section. You need to be at least level 5. So that means you're going to either have to be in voice calls fairly often and talk a lot, or you're going to have to be in text chats a lot, messaging back and forth, so on. In order to get there, that would be the hand waiver. You'll see it on the right side of the Discord where it shows everybody listed.
Right, yeah, got it.
This can be something friendly or competitive, right? So pit battles are a one-on-one competition based off of judging through selected judges or through popular vote. A list is going to be something you have to fight to get on, or you could just do a friendly one based off of, just a little rivalry. So what are the lists? There are multiple lists we have here in Worldwide Glovers. 2 of which are going to be the novice, which is going to be for newer and more, I guess, getting into the competitive scene type of Glovers. It's going to help build your confidence and teach you how to film, teach you the right angles on camera, and so on. There's also the intermediate list. Now, the intermediate list, super fun. That's when it's going to get more serious, right? You're going to be more experienced in filming. You're going to be more confident in your shows, in front of a camera and off camera, and you're gonna be put to the test for sure.
I am so ready.
Now, how to call someone out. How to call someone out, you must make an open challenge. And with that open challenge, video lengths are typically going to be anywhere from a minute to 2.5 minutes max, just for judging reasons and keeping it short and sweet, right?
Yes, definitely.
Now, it's frowned upon to use an old video. We typically want you to record something fresh and new. It's really big, right? And you want to also clearly state in the call out, time length, lights on or lights off, and who the judges will be, and or, popular vote. Now, if you have any other questions, feel free to ask, reply to this video, or message any of the chat moderators. Thank you guys for watching. Have fun.